I'm giving you a quick and honest review of Quantower, the multi-asset trading platform that's been making waves in 2025. If you're looking for a platform that offers advanced charting, order flow analysis, and multi-broker connectivity, stick around. So, what is Quantower? Quantower is a versatile trading platform designed for serious traders. It supports a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, futures, forex, options, and cryptocurrencies. With over 60 broker and data feed connections, it offers seamless integration, making it a powerful tool for traders who want flexibility and advanced features. What I like about it? The platform is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. It offers advanced charting tools, order flow analysis, and a range of trading panels, including DOM, time and sales, and volume profile. Whether you're a scalper, swing trader, or algo trader, Quantower has the tools to support your strategy. Now, is it worth it? Quantower offers a free version with essential features, so you can try it out before committing. For more advanced features, there are paid plans starting at $50 per month for the multi-asset package, which includes features like multi-broker connectivity and advanced charting. There's also an all-in-one package for $100 per month, giving you access to all current and future features. Is it the best trading platform? If you're a serious trader looking for a customizable platform with advanced features and multi-asset support, Quantower is definitely worth considering. It's not the easiest platform for beginners, but for those who need depth and flexibility, it delivers. If you found this review helpful, hit that heart icon to drop a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.